heard about this procedure on the radio, and I wasn't sure if it would work or not, so I called Dr. Clements' office, came by, they told me I was a candidate for it. My snoring was horrible. I was where I'd stop breathing all during the night. I could not wear the CPAP machine, but when I had this appliance put in my mouth, I didn't think it would work. Didn't make sense to me. But now that I've had it, I sleep all through the night. I don't wake up all night. My wife's sleeping with me again. It is just a wonderful, wonderful product.